Greetings everyone. Today I'm Ritu Nagpal, your research support librarian from Global Library JGU, will guide you all through how to access ebooks on Pearson platform. The very first thing before starting the whole navigation, you have to log on to the library webpage, that is library.jgu.edu.in. On the left panel, under What's New tab, you can see course material. Check on to this course material. This link will direct you to school-wise course material and publisher-wise course material. The school-wise course material gives you the list of textbooks which are referred and shared with us by your instructor in case the book you are looking for is not there in the list. Kindly contact your instructor, and with all the details you can always come back to the library to check for electronic or print book for further reference. The publisher-wise book helps you to know more about the publishers, as in their contact details and so on. Checking onto either of the link will direct you to the JGU Institutional Archive, through which you can access the list which you wish to view. Here I am taking you through school-wise course material, through which you are free to access the course material of your own school. To navigate easily, I have randomly picked up a book from JGBS. Through this list of course material, you can directly go to the publisher's platform by clicking on the links given below for in-campus or remote access option. Doing this, you will be navigating here to the desired platform, that is Pearson platform. In case you are logging in for the first time, you have to register yourself by using JGU details and create your own password. Along with the other details, you will be prompted to add access code. Now this access code will be shared with you by your instructor. I repeat it again, this access code is very important, which will be shared with you by your instructor. Don't worry, in case you are unable to get that, you can always write back to libraryacquisitions@jgu.edu.in or eresources@jgu.edu.in. Once your registration is complete, you will be prompted to log in with username. Don't forget to check on Remember Me for saving your password in the same browser. And here you go. Once you are on the home screen of the platform, you can explore ebooks by clicking on to the Institute Library tab. This Institute Library tab lists all the books which have been subscribed by your JGU Global Library. Along with the books, you can see a small plus sign which allows you to add books to my bookshelf, which is a personalized feature. This feature helps you to check the book in your own bookshelf and explore it further with ebook reader. Once you click onto the book which you wish to read, you have to click on the book will open up with ebook reader. The right panel on the top helps you with different tools and options. The first on the tab we have table of content, which helps to navigate through the chapter or jump onto another chapter inside the book. Next on the same panel, we have a tool which helps to highlight the text, select the text or choose the color to highlight as per your color preference. You can also add notes which can be referred later on. You can also bookmark, check the bookmarks later, directly jump onto the desired bookmark page. You can further Adjust the display options to single page or double page. Coming at the bottom towards the right, you can change the size of the text by zooming in and out, or if you want to directly jump to the desired page, you can also do that using this particular tool. Coming towards the left side at the bottom of the screen, there is a tool known to be Custom Pen tool. This tool helps you to annotate while reading by adding or highlighting the text with a square box or rectangle box or a circular. You can also add certain text for your later reference. Along with all these tools options, Pearson eLibrary app is also available for iOS and Android. For any further query related to any of the platform through which you want to access the ebooks, you can always write back to us at eelresources@jgu.edu.in or libraryacquisitions@jgu.edu.in. And remember, while using these ebooks, you have to stay connected to internet. You may not use certain content in offline mode. At the end of this tutorial, I wish you a very happy reading. Thank you.